hello there, my friend. I'm so glad you're able to join me here for a slice and a piece of cake. My friend, it is Mangez Monday. Mangez, of course, is a French verb to eat. And today we're going to get eating on a couple of... I'm lost for words, my friend. A savory granola bar. I don't know if they sell them here. I haven't really looked for it, but I picked these up at the grocery outlet for 99 cents. So I picked up the Nature Valley Savory Nut Crunch. I picked up the white cheddar as well as the barbecue. So I picked these up at the grocery outlet. They were 99 cents. We have the white cheddar. This is 25 grams. I also picked up the barbecue. This is the smoky barbecue savory granola bar. A little out there. It's hard for me to wrap my head around this savory granola bar. Not sure if I'm excited, but definitely intrigued with these savory granola bars. So my friends, let's get manging. I think I'm going to start with the smoky barbecue. The nutrition facts. All right, so per one bar, 25 grams, it's 130 calories, 8 grams of fat, 180 milligrams of sodium. All right, let's get eating. Oh my gosh, I'm sitting in my car. The sun's going down, so I got to hurry up and eat this. So I've just ripped out a chunk. Typical granola bar. Bon appetit. It's a nice barbecue flavor. It's a little strange. I don't hate it, but it's unique. It's different. It's strange. I mean, that's exactly what it is. It's a savory granola bar. I'm not really sure what I think about it. Maybe it's a healthier option than a bag of chips. But glad I was able to try it for 99 cents from the grocery outlet in Portland. I haven't checked to see if they have it here. But I will look for it the next time I'm at the grocery store. Let's get tasting on this Nature Valley Savory White Cheddar. Now, I think this might be more up my alley than barbecue. And that's what we're looking at. So the nutrition facts per... Again, 130 calories per 25 gram for one bar. 130 calories. This is 210 grams of sodium. So a little more than the barbecue. And the total fats is 8 grams. Let's get eating on this Nature Valley Savory. I mean, I guess it's kind of like crunchy, like barbecue peanuts. I think it's just the thought of granola. When I'm thinking granola, I'm thinking sweet and not necessarily savory. So this is the granola bar, the savory. Let's get eating. Bon appetit. This one is saltier than the barbecue. Strangely, I do think it works. I just have to get my head, you know, off the idea of a sweet granola bar. But they definitely nailed the flavor on this. Mm. Mm. Now, the question is, when I run back and purchase these, let's just say I wouldn't go to the grocery store deliberately searching out the savory granola bars. I was at the grocery outlet, saw it there, thought it was unique, picked it up for 99 cents. But I wouldn't be driving to the grocery store to look for it. Let's just put it that way. That is Mangez Monday for this week. Okay, somebody's just walking in the alley and he sees me in the car and thinking, what the she doing? Talking to herself in the car. Again, my friend, thank you so much for joining me here for Mangez Monday on A Slice and a Piece of Cake. Lots of content on my channel, so make sure you check out some of my other videos. As always, my friends, take care, stay safe, stay hydrated. We'll see you in the next video.